Lesson today, I'm going to jump in and have a look at this free course that I run. You can jump into the link down in the description below and jump on. It's only a couple of clicks. It's a course that I'd put together because I noticed that when trying to teach people about grammar in Te Reo Māori, they didn't have a good grasp on grammar in English, which made it really difficult to try and understand grammar contextually between the two languages. So I've put together this really basic course. It's got a key focus on English grammar with a bit of a sprinkle of Te Reo Māori in there as well. By the end of the course, you'll have a better understanding of grammar in English, which will make the application of grammar in Te Reo Māori much easier. Alright, so when you sign up, when you log in, you'll come to this screen here, Grammar Basics for Beginners, and you'll see that there's 10 parts down here. 10 parts down the bottom. So we can click on Start Course and it will take you to this section here, and it's a video course.